So we're replacing this door out here. As you can see, it's just a hollow interior door that was installed. So I've got a solid core exterior door. A couple issues though. First of all, we don't have enough room to swing in. So I'm going to have to remove the brick mold off of the new door and put it on the outside. Second issue is this opening is not tall enough. So I took the trim off, and you can see there's a 2x4 there. And even taking that out, that doesn't give me enough height. The width is going to be okay. So I need to go, as you can see here, this one's sitting on the floor. I'm going to need to go all the way down to the ground to get enough height. So I guess I'm going to cut back here from here enough to set the door in here, and then take these bricks and stones out, and we'll see what that looks like once I get into it. Alright, not too bad. As you can see here, got a clean cut, and I got all this rock cleared out, and it should fit the new door frame pretty well. I'll remeasure to make sure here, and then we'll pull the rest of this old door out and try the new one. Here's the new door. Like I said, this swings inside because it's a normal exterior door, but I need it to swing outside. So I'm gonna have to have this threshold facing in, and then I'm gonna remove this brick mold, and I'm gonna put it on this side, and then so this will be facing the inside of the house. The other side will be the exterior. Alright, so there we go. Now we got the brick mold on the other side. This door is going to open this way. So let's bring it out there and try and get it installed. Alright, so she's installed. She's nice and solid. Door shuts without any binding, so it's good. Next up, I'm going to put the deadbolt and the handle on, and then I'm going to spray foam the cracks here and underneath the sill plate and then the top, and then we'll call it good. I'm going to end the video there. Thank you for watching. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Bye.